Hello, all wonderful people. Welcome back to Beauty Wish. So, today I'm going to review about a very famous range that you all love. Yes, Bath and Body Works. I just love Bath and Body Works product because they smell divine, guys. You can just look how many products I have purchased of this range because I just love their products. They all have unique fragrance, and let's just quickly start the video just to know what all I have and how the products are. So, number one product that I'm going to review is this stress relief aromatherapy cream by Bath and Body Works, and it has eucalyptus and tea in it, and it's a very famous product. This cream is an absolutely amazing product, and this smells divine, guys. And if you want to know that does it really remove your stress, so I want to tell you that it actually uplift your senses, guys. It does have a calming effect, and you can browse internet also. All the wonderful reviews are there regarding this cream. You just have to search about this and you will be surprised to know how famous this range is of Bath and Body Works, the stress relief cream for Bath and Body Works. And I would suggest you to apply it after you take a bath because it has a longer effect after that. And it's a beautiful, wonderful cream. If you want to see the texture, it has a thick consistency. See, it is like this. It has a really thick consistency, and your whole room will linger with its fragrance. And yeah, it has a very different and unique fragrance and very fresh fragrance. And I don't think so anybody will dislike this fragrance. So it's a wonderful product. Please go for it. An amazing product. Cost is 14.99 on Nika, and you get good discount on Nika also. So I would suggest you to go for this aromatherapy stress relief cream of Bath and Body Works. Amazing product, guys. It also has moisturizing effect, guys, because it carries natural essential oils also. And if you are feeling that this product might not be moisturizing, what is the use of using it after bath? So no, that is the myth, because it has the moisturizing, a great moisturizing effect, in fact, after bath. So you can just close your eyes and buy this product. You can sleep well after applying this on your body, and it's an amazing cream. Next product of ours is this A Thousand Wishes, a very famous range of Bath and Body Works, and it's an amazing product. Can you see, I have almost used it and this much is left in it because I just love this. It's the best shower gel I have ever used, and you can see it's of She and Vitamin E shower gel. It's in the gel consistency. It's written here gel mucin because it has a very thick consistency. And this is the best ever body wash I have ever used, guys. I love this fragrance. When you shower, or when you will step out of the shower, you'll smell like heaven. Your whole bathroom will be lingering with this beautiful aroma. It's more of a fruity floral fragrance, guys, and more on a fruitier side. And it's heaven for the people who like fruity smell. And cost is 12.99 on Nika, and you get very good discount on Nika. Once I have got it for 7.99, and also there's also buy one get one offer always running on Nika on Bath and Body Works product. So this is the my favorite shower gel I have ever used. So I just love this product. So the next product is Mad About You lotion, and I am mad about this lotion, guys. I know you must be thinking I'm saying all the products are really good because they're actually good. You have to try it to believe me. So this Mad About You lotion is containing shea butter and vitamin E. It's an amazing lotion, guys, with an excellent smell that is long lasting. It perfectly moisturizes and smoothens your skin for a really long time, like 6 to 7 hours. And it everything is just so good about this lotion. Packaging is really cute also, as you can see. And it is good for all seasons. Consistency is very thick. Let me show you guys. So this is the consistency. See, it comes out in pink color only, as the bottle. The whole idea of Mad About You range is pink. And oh god, I'm in just love with this fragrance. I have used half of it. Actually, it's a thick consistency, so it always appears that it is full. And guys, it's so thickly moisturized that it has an amazing fragrance. And it lasts really long, guys. A good whole day it can last. 6 to 7 hours is minimum it will last to. And it depends in which weather conditions you are. And it is best for winters, guys. I have used it all winters I have used it. So you can go for it. And amazing lotion, guys. And now my favorite mist of this range, A Thousand Wishes mist. And you know what to say about this product. It is an amazing, wonderful product, guys. I actually love this. I really love this fragrance mist. And it's a kind of a fruity and floral fragrance, and again on the fruitier side, and the longevity is quite strong. And you might have to spray 2 3 times in whole day to get it the smell going on. And the smell is like heaven, guys. Really unique and really warm, comforting, and really amazing, guys. This mist is my all time favorite. I use it on daily basis after my shower, because whenever I spray this, my whole I just love the smell. My room, when my room is full of this thousand wishes aroma. So the smell is just wonderful, guys. It's like heaven. And it is my favorite fragrance and my all time favorite fragrance, like for the daily use. And I just love this. So you can go for it without any doubt. Next is of course, the shimmer mist of this range, because I just love whole glittery things. So this is the shimmer mist of Diamond Shimmer Mist of Bath and Body range. And this is actually good. Start. See, I'll spray this. See, can you see the glitters? They are pouring all over my hand. Just see the glitters it have. Yeah, it is really liquidy. That is the only thing I will say. The liquid is really thick. And that is the only thing that could trouble you, guys. So otherwise, the after this liquid disappears in the air, you will get this shimmer thing all over your body, face, wherever you apply. And it's an amazing idea of mist filled with shimmer, because I just love the whole concept of Diamond Shimmer Mist. Because already I love the fragrance, and on top of it, if I'm getting it with my favorite thing, that is glitters, so definitely I have to buy this product. So again, of the same concept, I have the Gingham of Bath and Body Works Diamond Shimmer Mist. I have purchased this product also on a really good price at Nika. And it has the smell is different. It contains blue freesia and soft violet petals as its main ingredients. See, the difference is that, see, the difference is only of a hint of musk in this gingham range. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, gingham range. And so the people who doesn't like the more fruity floral fragrance can go for this gingham range, because it has a really light hint of musk in it. And it's an amazing product, guys, because Bath and Body Works, all the ranges, all the products have unique smell in them, and you can absolutely go for them. And one more thing is that you can always get a good quantity in all of their bottles or product. See, 236 ml is not less, guys. This is a huge bottle, and it can easily go throughout the year. And at least for months it can easily go. and the this thousand wishes body wash, it is almost over. After the usage of, I guess, 3 or 4 months it has done. I have used it daily, sometimes I shower twice, so I use only this shower gel because I just love the fragrance. And so all in all, it's an amazing range, guys, Bath and Body Works. And Beauty Wish highly recommends you, because I just love all Bath and Body Work products. And you can just close your eyes and purchase them. And please do let me know in the comments what all videos you want to watch. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I hope you have a good day, guys. Take care.